what you're doing with your feet a little bit more to suit the surroundings and to suit what we're doing, alright? If it means overtaking this Mercedes, we will do. Keep the gas going. Keep the gas going. Anyone overtaking us? No. Put a right signal on, definitely. Glide out to lane 2. Cancel the signal. Stay in lane 2. Keep it going. You're fine. Come on, keep it going. You're fine. You're okay. Keep it going. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going to 60. Keep it going. Stay out. Keep it going. And then to come back in, stay out. Have a look in your mirror. Are we affecting the Mercedes?
No.
Are we affecting the BMW?
No.
No signal. Glide back. You're not affecting it whatsoever.
Okay.
Doesn't affect it, don't signal.
Okay.
You don't have to signal to steer like most people think. Yeah? It's not the case. Good job.